Good job. So what will you all be able to do? You're going to be able to recite your number 0 to 10, meaning that you're going to be able to speak it. If I ask you what number comes after 4, what are you going to tell me, Kyrie?
3.
No, 3 doesn't come after 4. What number comes after 4?
5.
Kennedy, if I ask you to recite your numbers from 1 to 3, what are you going to say? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Autumn, if I gave you objects to match, what are you going to do? You're going to match the object with the number, correct? Use your words. Yes, Miss Alexis? Good job. So what we getting ready to do?
Math.
Yes, math. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Kyrie, Kennedy, Autumn, let's go.
Okay.
Stop. Calm down. Calm body. Calm body. Okay? You're going to let the girls go first. Kennedy. Autumn.
Go first. Go first. Yeah, just finish.
So, wait, let me get
Kyrie and Autumn, come out this deep so we can close to this. Come here. Right here, Autumn. Right here.
I'm going to do that.
Turn around. Kyrie.
No jumping.
Right.
So, you're going to press on how many stars can you see? Is it 1 or 0?
1.
1?
Good job.
Okay.
How can you say? Go,
Come on, Autumn.
No.
How many stars can you see? Come on.
No.
How many stars can you see? How many stars can you see?
Let's
Let's count. Let's count. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
How many stars is that?
7.
Which one is 7? Which number is 7? Good
Good
job.
job,
All right, good job. Let's clap for Autumn. Good job.
Yeah.
Kyrie, can you come do this one? Come on.
Let the boys go first.
How many stars can you see? Let's count them. Let's count. I wanted to count them.
1, 2,
Okay.
3.
So how many stars can you see?
5,
1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you hit the 5 for me, please? Thank you.
Yay, Kyrie.
Come on, Van. Come on, Van. How many stars do you see? Come on, Van. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number is 8? Which number are we going to hit? Which one is 8? Good job, Van. High five. Yay.
Yeah.
Jeremy?
Come on, Jeremy. Come on, Miss Alexis. Go count. I'm
No,
sorry.
we should be waiting. We should
Come
be
on, Miss
waiting
Alexis.
patiently.
Come here.
Come on, Jeremy.
Yeah.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is 4? Which one? Which one? What number are we going to hit? Which one? Thank you.
Yay, Jeremy.
Good job. Kennedy, can you hit the number for us? Can you count them until it's Can you count it? Come on, let's go. 6. Good job.
Yay.
Come on, Autumn. Let's go. Let's go. Can you count for me, please? Come on, let's go. How many? Let's point. 1. Now, what number is 9? 9. Press it. Good job.
Yay.
Kyrie,
Autumn.
it's your turn. Slow down. Slow down.
1, 2.
Okay, 1, 2. I love how you count and you have to put your mask on, okay? Great job. Come on, Kennedy. Come on. How many stars do we see?
Oh no, where's the stars?
Yeah, where are the stars? So how many stars do we have?
0.
Give it to me.
Yay.
High five. Yes, yes. Come on, Autumn. Yes. Come on, Jeremy. Stop. Get up, Kyrie.
Come here,
Come on,
Kyrie.
come on, Autumn. Count for me.
Come here, Kyrie.
Come on. Let's go.
1, 2,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
which number is 10?
10.
Yes. Which number are we gonna press?
10.
Okay, well press the 10 for me. All right, press it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's the end of it. So we just did an activity that gave you objects. You had to count them, and then you had to press what number it was. So we're gonna take and do another one. Okay, let's count the birds. Let's see. Let's count the birds. How many birds are in the nest? Click on the correct number. So that's what we're gonna do. So Kennedy, I'm gonna do the first one. I'm gonna model it for you. Are you paying attention, Adrian? I'm gonna count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna press on the number 4. Kennedy, can you count the birds for me? Come on.
Some birds.
Count the birds. Let's go.
Some birds.
Come on, you can do it.
Give me
Let's
the
go.
leg to count some birds.
Let's count. There's no 10 there. So let's try again. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't hear you. 5, 6, 9. Woohoo! 9. Come on, Autumn. Let's go. Count the birds. Count the birds. Mhm. 1, 2, 3. So what number is the number 3? Press the 3. Thank you, Kennedy, but let her do it. I want her to do it. Come on, Jeremy. Let's count. Let's count. Yeah, it's Jeremy's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number is 7? Which one are we going to press? Come on. Which one are we going to press? Which number is 7? Good job. Woo! Kyrie, can you come count the birds for me and press the number?
Two scores. One score.
Okay. Which number is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is it 5?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, press it and let us see. High five. Yes, yes, yes.
Two scores.
No, Jeremy. This is one bird. One. There you go. Excuse me. There you go. Come on, let me see you count this.
Come here, Jeremy. Come here, Jeremy.
No. Come on. 1.
2, 3, 4,
Use on your numbers. It's
What comes after 9? No, what comes after 9? 10.
10.
Look, let's count it again.
Okay.
1.
2,
Stop. 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 You have to do the word. Stop. Let's pay attention.
10. So what number is 10? Yes, what number is 10?
Wait a minute. You do number again?
Come on, Kennedy, how many are these? How many?
Your phone wire so good.
Hurry, get up, baby.
Your phone wire so good.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Wait, Jeremy.
Stop. Going by.
6.
6. Good job. Curry, can you count this one for me?
1, 2.
1, 2. How many birds are in the nest? How many birds are in this nest?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, let's count that again. Let's count. 1. No.
8.
Okay, thank you. 8. So that is the end of our hands-on activity. So now we're going to do our math worksheet at our desk. At our desk. Go to your desk. Go to your desk, Curry. Come on, Autumn. There's a math worksheet that's on your paper. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, someone took it upon yourself to put my answers on the sheet that I wasn't prepared for. Autumn, go to your seat and do your math sheet, please. That is your now. That is your activity to do on your own. I'm gonna get it. Thank you. I'm gonna come see check your paper here to make sure you have all the right answers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go ahead. Okay, I'm coming. Thank you.
4 plus 5. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm coming. Make sure you count your items. Adrian, I'm coming to check on you. You're older, so your paper is totally different from theirs.
Alright, now your turn.
You're adding 2-digit numbers together with no regrouping.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Check your
5,
paper. Come on,
6,
let's add.
7, 8, 9.
What you gonna do? Where's your pencil? Let's go. Add. 1.
Come on, Jeremy, your turn. Let's count.
So what number we gonna put there?
1, 2, 3,
5.
4.
Thank you. So Adrian, I want to see your paper.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Half of me. This other half of me. Look.
I already knew you were going to Kingdom.
Come on, Kennedy. I'm coming to see your paper.
7, 8, 9.
Want to see your paper.
7, 8, 9.
This is your independent work. Let's go. Come on,
Then
come on.
your turn.
Yes. 1 plus 4 is what? What is 1 plus 4, Kyrie? 5. Did you put 5 on your paper?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. So what is 2 plus 0? What is 2 plus 0?
2.
5. Come on.
2. 2 something. 2.
What is 3 plus 2? Let's count it. Count it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will as soon as this lesson is over. Go have a seat. 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5. Kennedy. 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Adrian is going double digits. 25 plus 43. Adrian said 68 is correct. High five. Great job. Yes. 83 plus 16 is what? Nine. So 83 plus 16 is 99. One less than 100. Good job. Good job. Yes. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So you're doing your math sheet. I'm proud of you, Kyrie. I'm proud of you, Kennedy. Thank you. 3 plus 2 is what? You said 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes, correct. 5. Thank you. That's right. 5. Yes. So this is going to conclude our math lesson. We're going to continue off camera. We only have so much allotted time. Let's get it ready to run out. And we're going to do another math activity on the board. So, you all did the adding objects from 0 to 10. You identified your numbers, and you were able to recite your numbers. Okay?